Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Just want to provide a quick little update on Bitcoin's current price action. So let's dig in. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, as it really does help out the channel. Here we have the Fear and Greed Index currently at 56. We're currently in the greed range, as we said that was highly possible moving forward into the next couple of weeks. And yeah, we were neutral yesterday, but greed last week and neutral last month. So all in all, I mean, Bitcoin just doesn't know what to do. Right now, you see a clear, small, short-term downtrend here for Bitcoin's Fear and Greed Index. It has failed to get above the 69 level, which is that local pivot high made in April. So that's crazy, man. The sentiment is just going sideways, a lot of consolidation, a lot of indecision. So we'll continue to monitor this as we go. Guys, we see Bitcoin is currently at $29,750, down 1% in the last 24 hours and down 6.25% in the last week. Yikes. Just down just above 6% in the last 7 days. So Bitcoin's not looking that good, and we do see market cap is at $578 billion, down 1% in the last 24 hours, but volume is up to almost $15 billion, up 25% in the last 24 hours. So that's definitely a good sign. Before we get into the charts, don't forget, again, guys, make sure you subscribe, you click that bell. It really does help out the channel and the algorithm. And if you do so, you can come over here, link in the description down below, where you can find free educational videos about many different cryptocurrency themes here, all for free, with educational presentations for you guys. And don't forget to like the video, as it really does help out with the algorithm as well. Now, looking at the chart, actually, guys, we do see that we have divergence here. Let's actually draw it real quick, where you see, just per se, you have this line here, just indicating the clear downtrend, right? And then if we go out, we see here, let's just do the same thing here. Let's put this right here so you guys can see the clear downtrend. Let's draw this right here, for example. Let's see right there. It's hard to touch all of these per se, but you can see the clear downtrend, for example. And then we draw this one right here off the highs. Same deal. So you can see a clear, downtrend here, a clear downtrend, right? We're here. If we go, come on, man, we go back to let's see. Oh man, my bad, guys. Up here, okay, here we can see the clear uptrend, right, in price. So you see that divergence forming on the daily for Bitcoin's current price. And I think that it's going to most likely pan out in the next couple of days to week or two, where you see the start here now. You had this parallel channel here going towards the upside, right, where price action stayed between this range, as you can see, right? And now it has broken down here. It has broken down to the next support of 29,734. So that's not looking nice. That could be the first break before we actually pan out this divergence, bringing us down back to lower prices. That's what I'm seeing for the next couple of days to week for Bitcoin. A lot of weakness after getting clearly rejected from the $21,500 pivotal resistance. You know what I mean? And then the same deal. This is in a clear downtrend here as well. The RSI, and then you have the stochastic RSI is below the 20 level, indicating further continuation of this short-term downtrend. So we'll see, showing a little bit of weakness here. Right now, support is holding, but if this breaks, we definitely are looking at a $28,500 level, next support level, as that next key price level that Bitcoin would be touching. Then on the weekly, what we can see here is weakness as well. We have that $30,285 pivotal resistance on the weekly. We had a candle close above, but then after that, only one candle. We see a lot of wicks, a lot of sell pressure, a lot of people taking profits. And now in the current candle, we're clearly rejecting that $30,285 level. And if it continues to pan out and we confirm the closure of this candle by Sunday night, then we expect us to come down again to about that $28,000 level as that next pivotal support on the 21 weekly moving average for Bitcoin's price in the next couple of days to week. So that's the level, the first stop. The next one is 26.6, and then 25,000 continues to be that massive support for Bitcoin. So let's see what, how it plays out in the next couple of weeks. Also, this candle, this is not good. You see that clear wick, that clear sell pressure with the small body there. You can see it as a gravestone doji. So, a lot of sell pressure coming into the market, and we expect further downside in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Guys, don't forget, link in the description down below. You can find our website with great investment tools and resources for you guys. Hopefully you found value in today's video, just analyzing Bitcoin's current stance in the market, and we expect further downside based on probabilities from the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks, but nothing is guaranteed. Bitcoin is going to decide to do what it likes to do. All we can do is analyze the charts, analyze probabilities, and then being willing to live with the results. Guys, thank you for your time and attention. Have a good one.